We are going to see two different method resetting root password. First method, resetting the root password using rd.break. Second method, resetting the root password using an installation disk. Let's go. Restart server. Using arrow keys, select first line and press E to edit. Go to Linux 16, line, press end key or Ctrl+E to go to the end of the line and give one space. Then type as rd.break console equals tty1 yes selinux equals 0 and Ctrl+X to continue. Type mount grep /sysroot, check whether /sysroot read only or rewrite. It's showing /sysroot read only. Type mount o remount, rw/sysroot to read write permission for /sysroot. Type chroot/sysroot to change root. Type passwd to change root password. Now root password successfully changed. Then type exit and exit to boot system. Now we can log in successfully root user. We can go second method to resetting the root password using an installation disk. Restart server. We need to go BIOS setting and change boot menu from hard drive to CD-ROM, then save changes and exit. Select troubleshooting and press enter and select rescue mode. Type 1 and enter to continue. Now system mounted under /mnt/sysimage, enter to continue. Type chroot/mnt/sysimage to change root directory. Now we can change root password. Type passwd to change root password. Root password changed successfully, then type exit and exit to boot system. To check to root password successfully changed or not, go to boot from local drive, check root password. And don't forget to change BIOS setting from CD-ROM to hard drive. Now we can log in successfully from root user. Thanks for watching video. I will share procedures to resetting the root password in video description. You can check. Thank you all.